Today I'm on a bit of an adventure. I'm going off to see a new vehicle, or potential new vehicle. It's a bit of a way away and I'm a little bit behind. But we are where we are. So, let's hit it. Let's go and find the new vehicle. Oh, this is bonkers. This is a cracking evening. Mind you, the sun is absolutely blinding. Thank God for these things. What's going on with this hair today? Don't know. Maybe I ought to get it cut again. Nah. Oh, it just gets better. I think, you know, it's one of the benefits of living down in Cornwall, to be honest with you. When you're going along, you get the main road. Well, this is one of the main roads. Here we are then. This is St Ives. It's looking good. Look at that. Look at that ocean. Flip me. GoPro's not going to do justice. It's not going to do it justice. I'm telling you, it looks lush. You're welcome, matey. You're welcome. Who's been handy with the paintbrush then? I'm guessing that's you, Sol, isn't it? No? Alright. It's done it well though, to it's galvanised paint. Oh dear, don't know if I've done the right thing here. But I made the guy an offer. I bought it, so gotta be done in it. Looks like I've got a bit of a project on my hands. We'll see. We'll see how we go. There's a lot of work that needs doing on it. So I'll just have to work my way through bit by bit, I guess. Bloody hellfire. Yeah, I didn't really want to come through this lock because it's a bit tight and narrow, but got myself a bit of a project on, haven't I? That I know is going to take me months to sort. So there's two major things on it. It needs a new bulkhead, complete new bulkhead. The one that's there is virtually dust. It's dust which is well past rust. There needs a new wiring loom across it as well. And if you're going to do the bulkhead, which means you're going to do the majority of parts, it also needs new leaf springs. So those are going to be switched. So if you're going to do those, you may as well do a flipping chassis as well. So it's a ground up rebuild, really. Truth be told, it's a ground up rebuild of the series Land Rover. But then once it's done, it should be well worth it. Quite a challenge. I don't know if am I up to it? Am I up to it? It's a lot of time needed. We'll see. Food for thought. So after I got back, after seeing that Landy, I did a fair bit of searching and just to get some prices together, see what it was going to cost to do the actual repair. And oh man, well, the list was pretty extensive. So it needed a new bulkhead, because the bulkhead on there had gone past rust. It was pretty much dust in places. The leaf springs, they were all knackered, so they would need doing. Then there was a front slam panel, that was gone. Oh, and the wiring loom as well. So totting all those up, it was like £3,7, and that on top of the purchase price would make it a sort of nearly £8,000 vehicle. And that's assuming that the chassis didn't need doing as well, because if the chassis turned out that needed replacing, well, that's another £3.5 grand on top. So you're looking at £11,500 for a vehicle that, you know, would take flipping months to do. So I decided, oh come on Rich, come on, be serious with everything you've got going on with the work and with the videos, and I just don't have the time to be able to do it. So I decided I was going to pull out, and I spoke to them. Now they're a Cornish couple, so they're absolutely bang on, and they understood the problem, and they said, no, fine, fair enough,
completely get it. You've been honest with us, we'll be honest with you. We'll give you the deposit back as well. So bless them, they've sorted that. That's come back. So maybe Landy, not this time. It's maybe not. It's just too much going on. So I'm going to keep on looking. There will be something else that comes along, but not this one, not this time. We'll see what happens in the future. So if you do want to keep posted, then click on that subscribe button down there. If you click bell notification, that will let you know the next time I release a video. But for now, my name's Rich, and this is It's Adventure. See you later.